Well, hello, 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 hello. It's been a long time, and I am super sorry, but you may or may not know that I've had shingles since late January, so I kind of have just taken an entire month off. And like, I'm a wimp when it comes to pain. I am the first person to admit it. I do not like pain of any sort, and shingles has really kicked my behind in I would get up, and then I finally found some painkillers that I could take. They're not an opioid. They are an antispasmodic, um, which is affects the nerves, because it's shingles attacks your nerves, and so it leaves your nerves. It really hurts. You don't want it. Oh my gosh. Let me show you what it looked like for those 6 weeks while I was going through shingles. Right up here. Yeah, so that was pretty awful, and it's coming up. Well, it's Wednesday today. So I'll take another picture on Friday. That's when I've been doing them, is Friday. But it looks like I may have some massive scarring there. Um, yeah. So anyway, we'll see how that goes, and that will be that. Hey there. Did you know that I have merch? Let me show you what I mean. So here I have, well, there's t-shirts, there's stickers, there's cups, there's aprons, there's even sports bras and hats, and just all kinds of fun stuff. And let me pop you over here. I'm just going to show you under accessories, under stickers, because that shows you most of the designs. So you can see the designs that I've done. Now, I've been out with shingles. Y'all know I've been out with shingles. Well, maybe you don't know that, but anyway, I've been out with shingles. While I was out with shingles, I played with some images that I found on Pixabay. Pixabay.com. Images are free. And so I played with some images that I found on Pixabay, and I made these designs, and I turned them into t-shirts and stickers and sweatshirts and hoodies and hats and just all kinds of fun stuff. And so, yeah, if you want something. Now, I know they're not focused on Lorrie's world. I did try to remember to put my logo in all of the designs. But you can see I missed it in a couple. Like here, this cat one doesn't have a logo. And I think the dog one doesn't have anyway. But so that is what it is. Oh, and let me show you also what I have done with my art. So check these out, these hats. These are actually designed using pieces of my art. These two here, two different clocks, I believe, or a painting and a clock. I'm not 100% sure, but if you wanted to see my art, I also have art for sale. So if you pop here to my website, now all these links are listed down below, but my website is here, and you can just hit shop now, and that'll take you directly to my pieces of art. I've started adding some necklaces. Here's one that was made into a hat. This piece right here. I'm going to bring in some blues and do some hats and some purples. I think those make beautiful, beautiful hats. Anyway, I have merch. So if you have been wanting to support Lorrie's World or buy something from Lorrie's World, you're interested in my art or any of that kind of stuff, now you have a place where you can go. And yeah, that's my promo for today. Oh my, and did you know I am now offering memberships on my channel? There are 2 levels of membership, friends and sidekicks. So far, I've had 2 members jump on board, Gale Southern Living and Vineyard Chicks Homestead, so I'm super excited to have them. And I have put out a poll already, and I did throw out a video that my members got to see a couple of days before anybody else does. And as I get more members, I'll start doing more stuff, and it'll be fun. Even some private members only live stream chats. So that'll be fun too. We can, sit and chit chat and get to know each other on a more personal level without, sometimes the lives can get a little hectic with everything that's going on. But we could plan something where we can just be there and hang out and have a coffee or tea in my case, or whatever the case may be. Anyway, so it's inexpensive to join, and I would really love to see you there. And yeah, do that. Become a member. And yeah, I'm going to be coming out with a poll trying to figure out what you'd like to see. I mean, you'll know my channel is about what I'm learning. It's always been about what I'm learning. And it started out, I was learning how to pour paint. And then I was learning how to garden, and I was learning how to can things, and I was learning how to bake more, and I was learning how to take care of mom somewhat. I'm still not much of a caregiver, to be 100% honest, but I do try. And yeah, there's been that getting used to that, and I'm always trying to learn about graphic design or doing more graphic design. Right now, I'm learning Da Vinci, but it's complicated, and there are a lot of people. Well, there's a few people out there that have some really, really good tutorials on Da Vinci, and I don't know if honestly, I have to dumb it down for myself to be able to understand what it is that they're saying, so that I can grasp it in my own brain and understand it. And only once I understand it can I actually utilize it. But yeah, so there's that going on.